time. Alright. Where am I? I got to the next city. I think we're going to take this on with Naglagata right now. Because, even though it's flying, I think it'll help me do this stuff a little faster than normal. Just skitters. To go up and dodge rocks. I gotta dodge straight up boulders the whole way up. Holy crap. I forgot about that. This is not very hard. Ah! It scared me. Whoa. He's gonna go rotototo. No. No, it's attacking me. Man. I may not have been prepared. Oh, I'm fine. It ain't nothing. We got this. I kind of wondered if my video up in the corner is going to look weird. Going for those. Damn, I'm just going to go for it. C-bomb. I can hope. I can help reduce damage. Go kitty. Oh, damn. Oh, that was freaking close. I could have just quick attacked this. Nope. Seed bomb needed to be it. Oh, no, that's just the end. Scared the crap out of me, homie. Opened the hole. It's eating herbos. We gotta get them for our stuff, dude. Let's get it. Ooh. Well, that is a real issue. That's sweet. That is what's up. Double down. Yeah, we attack the rock. Will seed bomb. Ooh, seed bomb hits like a champ. Yes. Doggo. Rototota. Oh, he's water walker now. I don't know if that helps. Could just go straight down there to go straight down there and get that. Oh, that's another Titan. I do not believe I am ready for him yet. I definitely need items to deal with him. I just want to... What a seed bomb does to this guy. Dunks him. Okay. I see there in my ways. My bad, Mr. Dude. No. The Sprigget cat be going hard. Let's fight this guy. Alright. Wait, a bit of a change. Let's see. Gotta do the water gym. Oh, he's late. The heck? Yeah. Of course. You're gonna give me his money? I got his license and his credit card. Hell yeah. What's a Venonat? I don't want that. Kinda made it a Gengar. Or like a water type. Yeah, we need a bunch of these. I can't see my money because of my face being in the way. Oh, okay. Well, let's hope that that's enough. Oh, I've got your wallet, buddy. I've got it right here. Lucky I didn't take any money out of it. I went to the store too. They just wouldn't let me use it. Fight me to talk to give this dude his wallet. I can't just take the money out of it and get out of here. We're just gonna seed bomb and not care. Ooh, that kind of hurt. Not very much. Oh! Now we're going hard. We're not playing no more. No, I couldn't have. Wait, maybe. Yeah. Wakami seaweed from the Hawaiian region. Of course. You gave me money. Okay. I'll bid the 10,000. Why are we ramping up so hard, guys? What is the point? Okay, he's out. 40K! Oh my gosh, I was pretty sure I was screwed. That last guy was wanting to spend some money. I think I got this guy in the bag. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Hey, pneumonia. I got 2 gym badges. I have other stuff though. I've been doing things. You what? Sandstorm combat. Pneumonia sent out a rock type, of course. I'm gonna terrestrialize, and we're gonna seed bomb everything. Oh, you know what? Ooh, yeah. Minute. He might be fast enough to hit me. Medicine. Yay. Grandma's here to cheer him on. She's over there too. Let's go, old man. A Valuza. We're using X defense and an X attack, and then we're just start seed bombing. I think it'll be enough. Oh no! Because I'm just. We're using 2 X defenses because pluck sucks. No, he is going to be water type. He'll be something else and then change water. Wuggy. Yep. I'm fine. Crisis averted. It's the last one again. I don't even remember. This guy's kind of uneventful for me. Abominable. Oh. I don't know what this guy gonna do. Ow. Seed bomb. Dude, seed bomb is so strong. Alright. Yes. She's a weirdo.